Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6061. This ran from 09 2017 to the current shape. It has a DKJA 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the DKJA 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door has some scratches. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.